The Enchanted Forest Adventure. Taj and Lilly were the best of friends. One sunny afternoon, they wandered into Whispering Woods, a magical forest filled with talking trees, glowing flowers, and sparkling streams. As they walked, Lilly gasped, "Taj, look, that tree just waved at me." The tree chuckled, "Welcome, young travelers. The enchanted forest is full of surprises." Just then, a tiny glowing fairy named Flicker appeared. "Oh no, the magic crystal that keeps the forest glowing is missing. Will you help us find it?" Taj and Lilly nodded bravely. They followed Flicker through twisting vines and hidden tunnels until they reached a sparkling cave. Inside, a sleepy dragon lay snoring beside the glowing crystal. Lilly whispered, "We need to be careful." Taj smiled. "I have an idea." He picked up a shiny golden apple from a nearby tree and rolled it toward the dragon. The dragon sniffed, yawned, and chomped on the apple, rolling over in delight. While the dragon was distracted, Lilly quickly grabbed the magic crystal. They rushed back to the heart of the forest and placed the crystal on a grand stone pedestal. Whoosh! The trees sparkled, the flowers glowed, and the forest was alive again. "You saved the enchanted forest," Flicker cheered. The trees clapped their branches, and the animals danced around. As a reward, Flicker handed them each a tiny glowing leaf. "Whenever you need a little magic, just hold this tight." Taj and Lilly smiled at each other, knowing they had just become forever friends of the enchanted forest. The end!